E don settle Asari Dokubo and the Tinubu. No be small thing no, as e be like this now. E be like say Tinubu wan go investigate Asari Dokubo very well for the things wey e don get and for the things wey e don get. No be small thing. Na Asari Dokubo don come outside come cut chain give them. Say that one no go fit happen. As that one dey happen, e even come outside again. The same man no come talk say make e don change im name now to Tinubu. Say na im name based on the promise wey he don give Nigeria. Say if Tinubu fail, make they hold am responsible. He say make una dey call am Tinubu. Say he go defend Tinubu anywhere. He still come outside again come talk say the Fulanis don buy their people well for inside farm. He say make everybody go come for their rescue. Things dey happen for inside Nigeria. However, we go find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring updates back to back as e dey hot. As you don hear am for the headline wey we don bring come here, abeg I want to play this video for you to watch and we'll come back come continue. A lot of things are happening. Asari Dokubo and him papa wey be Tinubu, e don set for two of them. I want you to watch this video from beginning to end. We'll come back and continue.
No other people can take it, and we can no longer take it, and we are begging everybody, all men of good conscience, to come to our aid to stop these people from continuing in this behavior of killing our people. It's unacceptable. We will not accept it. Be able to find me wanting. I'm saying it on live. Nobody, all the court cases, the government are taking me to court. Nobody had been able to find me wanting. Because I self-regulate myself because of my moral background. I regulate myself because of my moral background. Because I know whatever I do on earth does not end here. I'm not saying it because I want to. No. I say it in court. I say it everywhere they've taken me. Whatever I do on earth does not end here. Whatever I do, there's a year after. I've been there before. So don't talk about cricket to me. You don't even know me. You don't read now. So because you are not getting your bunkering money, you are not getting your illicit and illegal money, you write security report. As you are hearing, you see evidence, cases, decided cases, and everything, and people who are at fault. You don't see them. Somebody says he's a soldier man, and he's a soldier man. What's a soldier man to him? If I am there and crisis is going on, since I am there, why has there not been any crisis? Why have we stopped and prevented crisis? If a soldier is there, he should be a crisis manager. It should be a crisis manager. If a soldier man is there at the scene of crisis, instead of exacerbating the crisis, instead of fueling the crisis, he should be the person to douse tempers and bring the crisis to control. Was he in uniform? If he was not in uniform, what was he supposed to do if there was a soldier there? Was he supposed to take side? If there's a policeman there, what was expected for him to do? He's supposed to maintain peace and bring calm temper, cool temper, cool. He should be doing cool temper. He should go to this party and say, please. Go to the other party and say, please, and cool their temper. What was he doing there? Like you came, you tell people, On their own land, on our own land. You are telling us we are the people looking for trouble. People who settle do not own a grain of land. You the grain of land. You they came our people, the court have pronounced them that they do not own a grain of sand of any land there. They are settlers. By the admission, they are Benin people. If they are tired, we have asked them to leave. We have asked them to leave. It's as simple as that. You are tired of being accommodated by us. We have asked you to leave. You can't stay on our land. Kill us, disturb our peace. And people from outside will say, let them kill you. Allow them to stay, let them kill you. It is a right to kill you. So the life of Calabar people are now very cheap. That you will come from Igbo land, from wherever you come from Yoruba land, from Benin, and say, Calabar people should die. Our life is so cheap. You cannot do it. You can't, and it will not happen because Calabar people will rise up, and when they rise up, they will swallow you. Come to Calabar land and say, leave them, let them kill you. It is a right to kill you. My friend, I'm not talking about Tinubu here, please. I have told you if Tinubu fail, hold me responsible. Take that. I have not said you should not hold me responsible. Hold me responsible. Are you holding me responsible now? So stop disturbing my this thing. Whether I will be going to is it? Do I work there? I go when it is necessary for me to go. I have told you I am with Tinubu 100%. So that is your this thing. You bother yourself a lot. Nigerians bother themselves a lot. Tinubu is traveling to Qatar. His two sons are there. So you bother yourself. Were you not here when you people were supporting Trump? How many Trump children and family members were in Trump government traveling with Trump? The present Prime Minister of Canada, when his own father was Prime Minister, was he not traveling everywhere? Is that not how he came to meet Nkrumah and all other people as a baby? Was he not traveling with his father everywhere? Are those not the country you call developed countries? Are those not the countries you are copying from? How many of Trump's children were in his government? How many of Trump's children were in his government? At least this one we know. Is Tinubu the first leader in the world? You are coming from America, you are coming from Canada, you are running to Canada, you are coming from these people. And then now, Tinubu does what Americans are doing, Canadians are doing, Canadian Prime Minister, American presidents are doing, and Tinubu is a bad man. How is he a bad man? Because two of his children are following him. Two of his children are traveling with him. We disturb ourselves a lot. Things that are not important, we keep on disturbing ourselves. I am with Tinubu, that is it, 100%. I'm not going to leave Tinubu, I'll be with him. Under the rain, under the sun, everywhere I'll be with him. I was with him when he was not president. Is it when he's president that I will leave him? I was with him when he was not president. Which kind of mumu you won't be? You were with your friend when he was not president. When your friend become president, is when you want to leave him. Huh? If now you go agree. If now you go agree. When you are talking, look at yourself and start talking so that look at yourself in the mirror when you are talking. Tinubu is my friend. When he was not president, I took all the risk for him. And when he became president, I will not leave him. Why will I leave him? For what? I will not leave Tinubu. I am with Tinubu 100%. It's not what you say that will make me leave Tinubu. I am with Tinubu 100%. So please, I beg you, forget about this thing, about Tinubu, about going to Asari Rock. Anytime I want to go to Asari Rock, I will go. I don't bother my friend. I did not see Tinubu from 2011 till 2023. I did not go to visit him. I'm saying it, the president will hear, he knows. As a friend that was close to you from 1992, did not see you 2011. I only see him at the airport or other places. I never went to visit Tinubu from 2011 to 2023. I'm not like you people. I'm not like you people. I don't leak the hearts of rich people. Our friendship is based on trust, and Tinubu stood by me. And it is now that he requires that I too should stand by him, and I will stand by him. Friendship is not about money, it's not about this thing. Friendship is something more lasting, more valuable than all these perishable items you talk about. So when I'm talking of other things, don't bring Tinubu matter in. When I want to talk about Tinubu matter, come, I will answer you. Don't distract me. I beg you, you Igbo people, you kept on doing this. You think it's everybody that you intimidate? You have known that you cannot intimidate me. Why do you continue? Why don't you go and rest? You people go and rest. You don't see this one. This one, we not go fit do anything to them. Why not leave me alone? When I say I don't die, when I say I don't paralyze, when I say I don't do this, I fall sick. I'm not well. I came out to take medical treatment. Like any other person, a 60 years old man will fall sick. Look at it. I fell sick. Even now, I'm supposed to be in the hospital. So Tinubu, I will continue. Tinubu improve. Now you people are no longer talking. You are no longer talking. The dollar 2,000. The dollar is, the foreign currency is now coming down. You think Tinubu does not listen to advice? He does. And very soon, we're hearing revelation. It will calm down. Things are going to be normal. There's going to be a new dawn. I don't talk what I don't believe in, what I'm not passionately involved in. Everything I say, I am passionately involved. I take people and I pray for him. I take Malam and I pray for him. Everybody close to me, I pray for him. I don't just come here and shout. I pray for him. When he does something back, I shout. But I don't end there. I pray for him. I get malams and I pray for him. They read the Quran. They do everything. That is my faith. That's who I belong to. And I give my advice. And I know that he will succeed. And the signs are there that it's already succeeding. Things are going to be better. Do you know that if dollar increase, I gain? If the price of dollar increase, I gain. I have properties abroad. I just sold one of my property. It's billions. If I bring the money into Nigeria. But I've been from the beginning. If you listen to my video from the time of Buhari, I've been in the forefront, how the dollar will come down. I have properties. I just sold one. I'm selling the second one in Europe. I'm making billions. I'm making billions. And that's why I drive Rolls Royce. I drive all these things. When you are using your money to buy alcohol, to buy Imporomiri, to throw big parties, I don't do it. Everybody have his own this thing, pastime. I have mine too. So when I'm talking about this thing, go and see my building, go and see my. Please don't come and accumulate me with this Tinubu. I am with Tinubu 100%. In fact, change my name to Tinubu. Change my name to Tinubu. I am with Tinubu. It's not about money. I'm not asking for Tinubu to give me any appointment as an individual. Yes, I have people who follow me. They also need appointment. They also need a breath of fresh air. I will fight for them. But it's not because of them I will abandon my friend. Because when the proportion to which it was available for me when I had problem, they were not there. Even when they are there, they did not have that sort of capacity to be for me. Tinubu was there for me, money, everything he was there for me. I cannot forget that. I will never forget that. So please, don't come to my comment section and talk about Tinubu. Just call me Tinubu. Call me Tinubu. In fact, don't call me Dokubo Asari. When you come next, call me Tinubu. Yes, I am. There's nothing you can do about it. Yes, I am. There's nothing you can do about it. So when I'm talking about other matter that does not concern Tinubu, don't come. I don't delete anybody. I don't gag anybody. But don't come about talking about Tinubu when I'm talking about other matters, please. When I want to talk about national issues, come. I will answer you. So please and please, everybody that is listening to me, the Udekema people do not own a grain of sand of land there. They are there at the benevolence of Kalawari people. Kalawari people gave them land to settle. They are our customary tenant. This is not just by mouth, word of mouth. This has been decided by the highest court of the land that these people are customary tenant. And what the irritation that
70 years old man, no be smart, my people. Shebuna don't hear them. All the whole thing where this man they talk for this, if you not put your ear well, if you don't understand one, because the talk it be like ping pong, if they come like network, so the one way come, you go pick them, the other one come, you go still pick them. However, I want you to share this video and leave your own opinion for inside comment section as it they hold.